How you doing? Sarge here. Smoking my Beans 316 with Davidoff English mixture. Not too bad. I was expecting a little Latakia, but it's all aromatic blend. Got a sander project going. Thought I'd just bring you up on that. What I did. The base is it's a big old flywheel off of an air compressor, and it carried some belts, dry belts, and then I welded a piece of 2x4.5 box steel from, you know, one of those warehouse racks. Just a piece of junk. Put a piece of 4x4 structural steel tube on that that would hold a couple of 5/8 bore bearings. Pretty cheap from Granger's, local. Bolted 2 of those through there. Turned the shaft down yesterday. One end needed a 1-inch section for the pulley, and it just slides on there. And then this side will have an adapter. It'll slide over a couple set screws, and then I'll be able to spin on a flapper disc or a self-adhesive disc on it, whichever I want. And I'm just going to run it with a 1/2 horse motor, and the other pulley go on there. And then I just turned a hinge. This hinge will get welded onto the 2x4.5. Yeah, see, it'll probably get welded in about here, and then a rod will get dropped through, and it'll all just pivot right here. The weight of the motor will put the tension on the V-belt and drive the shaft. And with these step pulleys, I get just over 8,500 RPM, all the way down to about 380. So I should pretty much do whatever I want. Probably end up grinding my knuckles down. Yeah, I'll show it to you again when it's all painted up and running. Stay frosty.